Hello my dear friends, and today we will have a look at a very interesting apartment complex slash hotel that is located right on the ocean front. You have no roads, nothing here. Beach is right in front of you. This is an apartment complex slash hotel. Everything is included. You have pools, restaurants, kids playgrounds, everything. So let's go have a look. So this complex is 15 years old. However, a new block has been added that was built 2 years ago. And in this new block, there is one unit up for sale. And I'm going to show you this specific unit and tell you about all the nuances. For that, I would like to tell you a little bit about this place. It's a very quiet place. A lot of people come to visit here. A lot of people coming and going. There's always a lot of action going on, and you can always rent out your apartment by yourself within this hotel complex, or you can get in touch with the management company and they can do that all for you through the reception. I believe this to be a wonderful opportunity, so let's go have a look. So here is the territory of the complex itself. As you can see, it's near the ocean. Here we have a pool. Here you have restaurants and bars. Basically an all-inclusive hotel, very beautiful lawn. And of course, don't forget, it's right on the ocean front. And you have no noise here. A fully gated territory. Literally the best a hotel can offer you is available right here. There are other residencies like this in the Dominican Republic, but there are not many of them. Like about this complex is that it's very cozy. There is no hassle here. All-inclusive, basically. A lot of tourists come on these tourist packages and pay money for an all-inclusive, and they party it up. They don't have it here. This hotel complex is more targeted at a quieter type of vacation, a more peaceful type of vacation and rest. For people with family, for rich Dominicans, and a lot of the units here are rented out for a week, 2 weeks, sometimes for a month. And just rest and relax and enjoy the ocean, which is, like I said, one of the upsides. It's right near the ocean, plus it's within a 5-minute drive from the center of Las Terrenas. And right here to our left, we have a little pond with fishes. It's all very well done, very well laid out. So now I know you're all interested and are waiting for this moment to see what we have inside. Now the unit itself is 2 years old, which isn't that old. So it's almost brand new. And now let's have a look and see in what type of condition they're being put up for sale. And of course, I'll give y'all guys the price. And here we have a separate home training gym that comes in with the package of this apartment hotel complex. Everything is nearby here if you want to train, if you want to work out. Here's your opportunity. And then you can have a lovely swim in the ocean, in the pool, however you deem fit. So basically the full service, everything you need is right here. And I really like this because you have a place to work out, a place to eat, a place to rest. You can go to the beach. Everything is right here. And of course, you have a lot of activities for your children, so everything is included. You'll always be busy. And also right here, we have this gaming zone. So we have a billiards table, and you can spend your evenings shooting billiards and whatnot. Here you have your bathrooms. And the reception right here. So like I said, it is literally a hotel apartment complex where you can buy units or you can rent them out, and everything is laid out just like in a hotel. And I personally like this touch because I will always know if I own a unit here that it will be taken care of and will have the best of services. And that takes off a lot of my headache as well, and yours potentially. It's always clean. The cleaning is always done. Very particular about it, so don't worry. So as stated previously, this block right here was built 2 years ago. So it's pretty new, and now we'll have a look at the apartment itself. Now these units are not very big, with 2 bedrooms and a little bit over 1,100 square feet in surface area. But like I said, everything is almost new here, pretty fresh. And right here at the entrance, as we enter, to our left, we have a kitchen with the living room. Here's the kitchen island, a new refrigerator, all your kitchen amenities that are necessary, plus you have a gas stove. So we have a clean kitchen, a nice layout. And you have the sink, which is located on the kitchen island itself, which I think is a very interesting design. And right here we have a storage space, a little laundry room where you can do your clothing and your cleaning. So right here we have a washing machine and a dryer, 2-in-1. Yeah, let's close it. And here we have the living room area. And here we have 1 bedroom. And as you can see for yourself, it has a very hotel style layout and interior design. This unit is specifically for a single family, small family. So maximum of 4 people, 2 bedrooms, 2 apiece. And of course, each of the bedrooms has its own bathroom, which is an important fact in itself. And everything's clean, everything's new. It's not a worn out unit, which is good, which is what I like, a modern layout. Plus you have full hotel service. So if you buy this unit and choose to rent it out, the management company does that all for you, the cleaning, the taking in the guests, the checking them out. So you have no hassle, and there's a constant flow of people, which is also very important. So here's the living room area, here is the layout, and another feature right here is we have access to the lawn. You can sit here, have a cup of coffee. You have access to the territory itself. Right here on this path is the path I took to show you guys the beach and the complex itself. So you can see for yourselves, it's not that far out. It's about 180 feet to the pool. Right after the pool, you have the beaches and the ocean itself. So you literally live right on the ocean in this quiet, clean residency with full service, everything included, with restaurants and bars. So you can even order food here and get a delivery. So here we have bedroom number 2. The other bedroom had 2 beds. This one has 1, and also this bedroom has its own bathroom. So here you can see the bathroom for yourself. Now I would consider this the master bedroom and the master bathroom. And as you can see for yourself, it's very clean. It has a very nice layout. So all in all, this unit is an apartment within a hotel complex, and this unit can become yours all for a price of $298,000 US, 1,151 square feet. And by the way, right here you have your own safe right in the bathroom. That's the first time I see anything like that. So here guys, you can have a look at it. I think that's pretty cool. Actually, this space doubles up as a closet. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yep, that's the unit itself. You've seen everything. I think this is a great place to live. Great, beautiful place. $298,000 US. Now I do believe the price is a little bit too high, but for Kasana, this is a prime real estate. These units are highly sought after because you're right on the ocean front, no noise from the roads, and it's very quiet here. And that's why you have such a price. So if we are to come to a conclusion, First of all, this is a great residency. You have very nice units here that you can either buy for yourself and live in it, or you can rent it out and have a passive source of income. Concerning the amount of money you can rent it out per month or per day, I will find that out. I'll post all that information in the description below. So all in all, not a bad option considering the territory you are located on. And don't forget that it is located near the city, 5-minute drive, plus the ocean is literally right in front of you. So that was the unit. If you liked it, text me, hit me up. And also, I would like to add there's a second unit like this upstairs.